So good afternoon. I am Abdurasid Tibadang II, and the assigned topic for me is the number 7, which is the 2.43. So this is the problem 2.43. The problem is a bullet is fired with a muzzle velocity of 600 meter per second. If the length of the barrel is 750 mm, what is the average acceleration? So first, let's identify first the given. Our initial velocity is 0 since the bullet starts from rest inside the barrel. So our final velocity is 600 meter per second, and the displacement is the 750 mm since the length of the barrel is the 750 mm. So ang hinahanap natin is the acceleration. So first, let's convert the unit of 750 mm into meter. So 750 mm times 1 meter all over 1000 mm, then magkakakuha tayo ng 0.75 meter. Para mahanap natin ang acceleration, ang gagamitin nating formula is the final velocity squared is equal to initial velocity squared plus 2 acceleration times the displacement. So i-input na natin yung mga value nila. First is the final velocity. We have the 600 is equal to I squared pala itong equal to 0 squared plus 2 times the acceleration times the 0.75 meter. So let's solve it na. So first is i-transpose muna natin ito 600 squared minus 0 squared is equal to 2 i-multiply na natin 2 times 0.75, and that is 1.5. So 1.5 acceleration. So divide both side by 1.5 para acceleration yung matira dito sa kabila. 1.5. So ayusin lang natin. Acceleration is equal to 600 squared minus 0 squared all over 1.5. So ilagay natin yung mga unit para di tayo malito. 600 meter per second squared minus 0 over the 1.5 meter. So isolve na natin yan siya. First is the 600 squared is meron tayong 360,000 meters squared per second squared. So this is 0, cancel. So divide natin siya sa 1.5 meter para makuha na natin yung acceleration. So acceleration is i-divide lang natin to siya sa 1.5, 360,000 divide 1.5. So meron tayong 240,000. So ang unit natin is makancel ito, ito m squared minus 1 magiging meter na lang. So meter per second squared. So that is the final answer. Or yung nakalagay doon sa soft copy is the 2.4 times 10 raised to 5 meter per second squared. So that's all.